Dataverse. Dataverse is a cloud database. By this, we can store and manage the data that was used by the business applications. Within the Dataverse, the data will be stored within the form of tables. Tables is a combination of rows and columns. Dataverse allows data to be integrated from multiple sources into a single source. Dataverse provides a rich data integrity and rich data security model by this user while promoting efficient data access and collaborations. Dataverse includes features for developers to programmatically access the metadata and data to create tables and business logic in addition to interacting with the data. Simply we can say Dataverse is a cloud database. It can provide logic, security and integration. Now let's go to the CRM and you can see how we create the data model. Nothing but the table in our CRM. This is my CRM instance, my Power Apps. Here I have created one solution Power Apps practice. Now here I am going to create a table. I am creating a table called student. You can give what is the name you want. Save it. This is the custom table we are creating in a Power Apps. Okay. Now columns, go to columns, click on columns. You can see these are already available columns in the system. Now I'm creating few more columns like age. Age is number, So if you want to give some age, some range like some 0 to 100 or 0 to 120, whatever you want, you can give. I'm giving some 0 to 120. After age, I want to create some field name called class and some ID. Okay, I will go with the student ID number. And for this, I'm going with auto number and it is required as it's required and you can string prefix or you can choose date prefix also, whatever you want. And you can see how it will go. I'm going with the string prefix here. So student st something and I want to start from 0001. So you can see this will create like this. So this is the one. Now student name is there, ID is there and age is there. So I will create gender you can go for choice. So I'm giving choice. You can see here we have an optional required. If you want to make any field required, you can make it as business required. And you can see if you want to create a new field with choices like male, female, if any gender field is available, you can choose from here. And you can see there is no gender field available here. So I'm creating new one. So giving gender. So once you can create, you can use wherever you want. Male and you can give female. If you want to give few more options like transgender, lesbian, whatever you want, you can. If you want to get, you can give it. Save. Once created, you need to select from here gender. So if you want to use this field in the another entities also, you can directly give gender. Like this, you can create the columns in the table. And if you want to place these columns in the table, just click on the forms and go to main form. Simply drag and drag what are the columns you require in the form. By default, it is coming with the name and owner. You can see. So if you want, you can simply drag here like this. Simply drag wherever you want. and ID number. Now my form is ready, so I can save and publish. Whenever you want to do some changes on the form, can add and save and publish. Without publish, the front end it will not affect. So just save and publish. If you want to, now our form is ready. If you want to change the view also, just go to views. I work with the active students, so I wanna add all the custom fields on the form. By default, you can see name and create done is there. If you want to remove, you can just simply remove. Otherwise, you can use the existing and you can add our existing fields. I'm adding age here. Wherever you want, just drag and drop, it will work. Now I am added with my field, so simply save and publish. If you have any issues, here we have validate. This is Power App Validator. It will check if any issues is there, it will show. Now our form and view is ready. Now go back. If you want to add records directly, you can add from here also. You can see here it will show student columns and data. Right now we don't have any data, so you can add particular fields and data here. Simply select, you can see name, you want student, age, gender, ID. Now it will show only those fields, right? If you want to enter data in this, simply enter from here. Otherwise, you can import the data from any Excel also. First, we'll check with Excel. I have created one Excel file. Just go to that Excel. This is my student file. Now I'm gonna import here. I have given some student like this, right? So I'm modifying this ID. Otherwise, it will give some error. We have name, ID, class, age, and gender. I think we are not created this class field, so go and create this class field. Otherwise, you can ignore it, but better to create. So I'm going back. Go to columns and create one field called class. Single line test. It was number, so it's a number and it was class, right? So I wanna give from 1 to 10. If you want enter, you can give 12 like that. So save. I'm not placing this field on the form right now. It will take some time. So if you want, you can place it on, not a problem. Now I wanna import data. So go to student. Here you can see import, right? Simply click on import. You can see there is no data available right now. Once I can import, it will show import from Excel. Now you can see now import data one is up ready. So go to upload and choose your file. My file is student. This is XLSS file, and you can see it was to uploading. And you can go for map columns also. Let's see, it was still uploading. Just wait for uploading. What it will give. You can see mapping errors exist means we need to map the columns. So age we need to map to age and class is class, okay. Gender we can turn gender and ID you can select ID and the sequence number we don't need name. Yeah, that's it. ID, gender, whatever we want we are having. ID, class, age, gender. ID, class, age, gender, and name mapped. Okay. Other fields you don't require. So if you want to add, you can add. Otherwise, no, not required. It's enough. Okay. Table calculator has been applied. Okay. Save changes. Now you can see it was showing as green mapping was successful. So simply click on import. Like this, you can export from the Excel. Now you can see inserted update 15, insert completely successful. You can see we have 15 records. You can see count 15. So all are created. Now you can go here, you can just reload it. You can see now it will show 15 records here. You can see our data is available now. So it's not rows also, you add more rows. If you want to add more rows, you can add it from here. Simply you can click here.
చివరిగా ఒక మనవి, మన ఛానల్ని లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయడం మాత్రం మర్చిపోకండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.